Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at the Dearborn Academy, home of the Dolphins, the dynamic Dolphins, here in Dearborn, Michigan. The main focus on today's presentation, my third time here now, was all about motivation and inspiration. And as I mentioned, I'm a motivational speaker, and motivation is always external. It's on the outside with the hope that it inspires somebody, that it does touch someone's heart. And so many students came up to me telling me the impact that today's lesson focus had on their hearts. And that's really what we're trying to accomplish, right? With any relationship in our life, any friendship, that once we have that self-love and have that self-kindness, then we go and help someone else. And we also related this to giving our best effort, that there's certain things that we're good at, certain things that we're not good at, but as long as we try a little bit harder sometimes for some of us on certain subjects, that we can accomplish that. But also if we are great at something, whether it's math, art, gym, etc., that once we finish whatever we're doing, then as a true leader, we go in and help someone else. That's the sign of a true leader. And like the shirt says, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. The times that we feel like a failure or we make a mistake or we're kind of down, it's a reminder for us to always keep our head up, to always keep thinking positive no matter what, to know our worth, our value. The M etched in all of our palms, right? M for miracle, upside down W, worthy, worthy for love. And that we understand that we have this potential to do anything, right? Nothing is impossible, and that the opposite of success is not failure, rather giving up or quitting. And for them to start the wheels turning and really start to understand that it's okay if we mess up, it's okay if we get something wrong, if we get cut from a team, if we don't make it the first time, we can always keep getting back up again. We can always keep trying and keep always giving the effort. That's all anybody asks for, is do your best, then rest. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are always in my heart. Much love. Peace.